What is going on YouTube? It's Sankey. We're back with another one. Hey, before I kick things off, if you're looking to level up as an investor, check out the link down below to the Patreon and join our team of investors over at the Discord. So I'm coming at you guys with a jam-packed one. Now before we get the show on the road, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button for me. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button during the journey. Alright guys, we kicked off a fresh brand new week in the market. Now out there on the field, it's been a mixed story for our growth plays. But what you guys must know is these bond yields, they're under control right now. And that's going to translate into some market stability. So that's a good sign. Now in this video, I'm coming at you with a couple of plays to load up on, help you guys build your portfolios while the market is where it is in preparation for that climb. So I've got a jam-packed one for you, so do make sure you stick this one all the way through for me. Now before we jump into our first play, let's touch on today's MVP play from our portfolio. Now in a day in the markets that's been very testing for the growth plays out there, a lot of them even finishing in the red. Here's our play Dermtech, finishing up almost 10% in the green. So you guys know over the last couple of weeks I've been trying to get you to get your positions in this one for a very good reason. I'll let you guys know this is the second time I've seen this play break through that $60 resistance mark, and I've run the technicals on this one and they're showing some good momentum. So that's why I'm putting them back on your radars. Now as they continually roll out their cancer detection product and it gains recognition for its speed and cost effectiveness, guys, I think this play is going to continue its climb. Now given the market volatility, those gravitational forces are just going to be too strong to keep that price where it's at the moment. So you guys are going to get another opportunity to grab this one under $60. You guys know I've got my buy zone in the low to mid 50s on this play. So if you catch them there, scoop them up, add them to the portfolio. I've got a price target for this one in the medium term, that's $75. So we're going to kick things off with Sunrun, ticker symbol RUN. Now this is a play that's experts in residential solar. Now I'm trying to get you guys to shift some focus away from the shiny new toys on the market, the new kids on the block, like the NFTs right now, into some of these plays that have sustainable upside and can build you guys wealth in the markets. Now this is a play that's come down heavy over the last couple of weeks as we've seen that rotation of funds out of the energy sector. Now with these plays being in the red over the last couple of weeks, it can look like they don't have their financial health in check, but I don't want you guys to be bamboozled by this. This is just a healthy pullback that gives you guys the opportunity to load up on this one and get ready for the climb. Guys, when it comes to investing, it's about foresight, confidence and patience. Now if you just apply my teaching, you are going to be successful in these markets. This is a play that, again, I've got a $75 price target on this one, so that's significant upside on the current price. Now guys, the strategy with this one is they are ready to go right now, but guys, nibble at this one because I expect some short-term volatility. So you can start your position now and you can build over the next couple of weeks. Alright guys, so we're switching gears now. We've got Ford Motors, ticker symbol F. Now the story here is they are pivoting their business to focus more on the electric vehicle side, and they're also making partnerships with VW. So this is good things. And you guys know that EV is going to be a hot sector for years to come. That's why we have our positions built out in plays like Tesla. But what you guys must know is Tesla, they're a fantastic company, but they're not going to be able to fill every single gap in that EV market. So there's plenty of room for Ford to excel. Now I like this combination of having a legacy vehicle manufacturer such as a Ford in the portfolio, as well as new school plays like Tesla. In that way, you have all bases covered. Now I have a $15 price target on this one, so that's still some good upside on this play. And this is a play that you guys can get building wealth in right now. Alright guys, so those are the plays and you got the strategy to go with. So as I say, let's get ready for the climb. Let's talk about how we can level up as investors. Alright guys, I want to talk to you about NFTs. Now these are essentially digital tokens that are like certificates of ownerships for physical or virtual assets for things like art, and they're blowing up at the moment. We're seeing a lot of the stock prices increasing wildly. Now for those of you who have jumped into these plays and made some profit, shout out to you, because that's what it's all about over here, making money in the markets. But you guys know I always say ensure that you take profits from these type of plays, because every now and then guys, the market is going to throw us plays that blow up and detach wildly from their valuations. We've seen it with GameStop, we're now seeing it with the NFTs, and the best way to play these trades is to take profits early and keep it moving, jump to the next one. Soon enough, another type of situation like this will come about. Now notice guys, I said trades and not investments. That is because when we invest into plays, we ensure there's sustainable upside and there's growth prospects moving forward. Alright guys, Barack with the channel, you know what time it is. Now this question comes from Adam, says, Sankey, what's up mate? Loving the videos, been watching you for a while now. always giving great plays. I'm new to investing, portfolio is growing, lost all profits on most stocks. Not worried though, because we all know the market will come back. I've been buying the dips where possible. I've got quite a few stocks now, just wondering if it's good to have a lot of stocks with not many shares, or is it better to stick with a couple and build out your positions? It's hard to keep trying to load up on loads of stocks. Now, this is a great question, so thank you for sending it in. Now, before I move any further, you guys heard what he said, right? He said the market's down, but he's not worried because he knows it's going to rebound strong. Guys, this is that champion mindset I'm trying to get you guys to all elevate to. Not to worry about the daily paper movements in the portfolio. Guys, the market couldn't excite me anymore right now because I know that we've been building our portfolios over the last couple of weeks into these quality assets that are going to rebound strong. We're locked and loaded, ready for that climb. We're going to make good returns in the portfolios. Now, your question was about diversification, and this is key. It's very underestimated because what you're doing if you have a diversified portfolio is you're reducing your risk and you're setting yourself up for more sustainable growth going forward. Now, a good number of stocks to have in the portfolio is around 30 positions. So what you guys could do, you could start off small and you can build up. So you can start with 5 positions, you can build to 10, then to 15, and so on. Now, as you're building, you can grab yourself 5 shares of your first stock, then 10, then 15, so you can build that way. Everything is about steady progress when it comes to these markets. Now, it sounds like you likely have over 30 plays within your portfolio, so what you need to do is trim down some of these plays. You need to go through your portfolios, highlighting which ones are dead weights, which ones have slower growth profiles, which ones are carrying too much risk. Take them out of the portfolio when the time is right. Now, when you do that, you're going to realize you're going to be able to better manage your portfolios and stay on top of things, taking profit and loading up at the best times. Alright guys, that wraps things up. Do hit the like button for me, it helps the channel out. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, join the journey. Also, check out link down below to Patreon, where you can join our team of investors over at the Discord. Now, as we progress through the rest of the week, I'm coming at you guys with a ton more videos to ensure you guys are prepped and ready to continually crush the markets with me. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.